Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to make policy routing in Microtik. You learn what policy routing is, when to use it, and of course, how to configure it step by step. Directly on Microtik router. Alright, let's get started. So first, what is policy route? Sim- simple but routing a policy route is a technique that let you control how packets are routed based on specific policies, not just destination IP address. Normally, a router decides which path to take based only on the destination address. But with policy routing, we can make routing decision based on things like source address, interface, or user-defined rules. For example, if you have two internet connection, ISP A and ISP B, you want office network, uh, you want office network, and the IP is 10.10.1/24 to go out through ISPA, and lab network, the IP is 20.20.20.1, no, 10.10.2 to go out through ISP2. That's exactly what policy routing allows us to do. So here's the basic topology. First, you have to make the topology like this. This the topology. And the first step, right? The first step is we have to configure the PC. First, I will configure PCR. And before you add some the routers and PC, you must change the name to make it easy. First, let's go with the PCR. PCR we have to configure it to eh, first we set the name first. Set and the command is set PC name space uh it's up to you what the name, but I will name it PCR. And you can see the name is not VPGS but it's PCR. Now let's add some basic config. It's IP and the command you already know in the previous video. So I will just add the IP. And don't forget the gateway. Boom. After that, you can show the IP. If there is the IP, you can go to the PCB for do same like PCA. First, we add the name. It's PCB next this time. Then add the IP address. Oh wait. Mm, and then let's see the and let's show the IP. If PCI and PCB is already config with basic config like IP address, let's move to the ISPA. We login first, close the tab and click and open it again. First, we set the name again because it's important. System identity set name. It's ESP and let's add the IP address. It's base config already. IP address at wait IP address at do and the IP is 10 First, we are at the gateway of the PCA. No, no. Wait, we wrong. It's router ESP. So we at the IP address. It's 10.10.1/24, and for the interface, it's Ether 2. Ether 2. And after that, we IP the client print to see if the DHCP is bound. So it works when we ping. And after that, we can IP address print. So we can see there's already have the IP. Next, we can go to router B and do the same thing as router A. Okay. So, oh, wrong. Close and open it again. Do the same thing as router A, okay? Like system identity set name. Just do like router A and IP address at oh, 2021 plus 24, and the interface is ether 2 again. Then let's see the HTTP client is already bound or not by print it. If already bound, you can IP address print. After that, we go to this router. It's gateway router. Okay. The first thing is you must add the IP address from all these routers. So this ether 2, ether 1, ether 3, ether 4. So let's edit. First IP address at I will add 21st triple 20.2 plus 24, and the IP and the interface is 1. Boom. And after that we oh after that that again, oh man, this mode. After that add again IP address and then 1/24, and it's ether 2. Next is set set ether 3, and the last is boom 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 and boom, and last is IP address print, and it's done. And the next is wait, what is it next? We must add the IP root rule. IP root rule. Wait, it's wrong. IP root rule. IP root rule at search address, and it's what is it? The IP from PC offers and dot 0/24, and action is look up for table. It's PCA. Wait, before I continue the config on gateway, I want to check the PCA. and it's being the Ether 3. Oh, and it can. So let's move to PCB. I want to see it 2 and it's ping to the router to Ether 4 also can. So let's back to the IP route rule to Excel and now do like the first but just change the IP and the table for PCB and then enter. After that you have to IP route rule print see and now we add some IP route at the square address. The destination is the net which is 00/0 and the gateway is the Ether 2 which means that's connect to that's a router SPA and then uh, we don't use less but putting oh, putting mark and it's the PCA and do it again but change to PCB and the IP is also changed and boom and IP root print. Wait a minute, something wrong. Hmm. Let me check the ESP. Ah, there's something. It's timeout. This unreachable now. Let's see the IP address. Print. Mm-mm. Oh, I'm wrong at the IP address. Let's remove the IP address. IP address remove. Number. Which number? It's number one. Wow. And let it again. IP address at. Wait. Let me print it first. It's already gone. So let's add IP address and then two. Then the interface is header two. Let's see. And then let's ping again. Ping 10 dot one. Okay, it's replay. But what about the router A? It's replay too. Okay, let's back to the router gateway. Where was we? Hmm, where are we? Wait. I'm forget what was the config that we. Oh yes, IP IP root print. Okay, now it's already AS. So now let's go to the ESPA and add IP root at is the address. The IP it's the IPPC which means it's 10.0/24 and the gateway it's where's the IP? I forgot. Mm, and then the two let's see IP root print NHIS. Let's continue. So let's make this video fast because I want to sleep early. Not and after that we add the firewall node. The chain is search node, hope, search node, and the action is master action master and ether and the header is I'm sorry not ether. It's out interface. For the out interface it's header one and IP root print again. Just going to see and after that IP firewall print. Okay. For the next is go to the ESPB and do the same to router oh what is printers man wait guys back to the video go to config IP root add then 0/24 and for the gateway it's 20 and then after that at the firewall not again add and chain is also action chain is not action is masquerade and for the out interface it's oh my god it's ether one after that IP root print is AS or not is AS after that firewall not print and it's also good and now let's test the PC from the PC let's ping the IP from the cloud which means it's 848 too much if it reply which means the config is already done and we success the config let's try from the PC day it's also reply good and the config is already done you just do the pulse routing and easy and maybe that's all for me oh before I close it I want to give you summary. So to warm up, voice routing in Music allows you to traffic bands on Trust Network and use multiply internet connection efficiently and gain full control over how traffic flows through your router. With just a few comments, you can make each LAN use a different ESP easily and effectively. So maybe that's all from me. That's it for this tutorial on voice routing in Music. I hope you found it useful and can try it out in your own lab, setup or network. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, which the next video is about root type. It's root type or root map. I don't know. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.